Tesla quietly flexes FSD reliability amid Waymo issues. Tesla highlighted its full self-driving supervised system's robustness this week by sharing dashcam footage of a vehicle in FSD navigating pitch-black San Francisco streets during the city's widespread power outage. While Waymo's robotaxis stalled and caused traffic jams, Tesla's vision-only approach kept operating seamlessly without remote intervention. Elon Musk amplified the clip, highlighting the contrast between the two systems. Tesla FSD handles total darkness. The Tesla AI account posted a video from a Model Y operating on FSD during San Francisco's blackout. As could be seen in the video, streetlights, traffic signals, and surrounding illumination were completely out. But the vehicle drove confidently and cautiously, just like a proficient human driver. Musk reposted the clip, adding context to reports of Waymo vehicles struggling in the same conditions. Tesla robotaxis were unaffected by the SF power outage, Musk wrote in his post. Musk and the Tesla AI team's posts highlight the idea that FSD operates a lot like any experienced human driver. Since the system does not rely on a variety of sensors and a complicated symphony of factors, vehicles could technically navigate challenging circumstances as they emerge. This definitely seemed to be the case in San Francisco. Waymo's blackout struggles. Waymo faced scrutiny after multiple self-driving Jaguar I-Pace taxis stopped functioning during the blackout, blocking lanes, causing traffic jams and requiring manual retrieval. Videos shared during the power outage showed fleets of Waymo vehicles just stopping in the middle of the road, seemingly confused about what to do when the lights go out. In a comment, Waymo stated that its vehicles treat non-functional signals as four-way stops. But the sheer scale of the outage led to instances where vehicles remained stationary longer than usual to confirm the state of the affected intersections. This contributed to traffic friction during the height of the congestion. A company spokesperson also shared some thoughts about the incidents. Yesterday's power outage was a widespread event that caused gridlock across San Francisco, with non-functioning traffic signals and transit disruptions. While the failure of the utility infrastructure was significant, we are committed to ensuring our technology adjusts to traffic flow during such events, the Waymo spokesperson stated, adding that it is focused on rapidly integrating the lessons learned from this event and are committed to earning and maintaining the trust of the communities we serve every day. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.